And here we have a beautiful 1973 Stingray. I just got here to the International Speedway, and this is the first thing I see. So I think it's going to be a good start for the day. Super nice. It's not even 8 a.m. and it's already busy here. And great selection of cars. This is the car corral, and beyond there is the car show, and this is the swap meet area. So as you can see, this is plenty busy for the first day, and again, it's not even 8 a.m. yet, so lots of awesome cars. What do we have here? 73. It says True Survivor. Let's see, 16.9. 941 740 2651. Oh, it is a 4-speed. Very nice. Aftermarket mirrors. Got the rally wheels, so that is good. And I guess it is the metallic yellow. Sharp car. Looks really, really good. It's got the right seats and everything. A little bit of shag carpeting in there. Looks good. What have we got here? No price, no info. Seems to be a 77. It's a little bit on the rough side. Maybe too early to tell, but is that yours?
Yes, sir.
77?
Yep.
How much?
14.
I just talked to the seller. He said the asking price is $14,000. And this thing is beautiful. ZR1. That looks nice. $2019. Who needs a C8 when you can have one of these? That is gorgeous. And this is highly modified, I would say, 75. It's automatic, and here you have the info. 315 724 557 1430. I think it's a nice car, but that's a little bit on the high side. And of course, it's got the recessed lights and spoiler. It's got some massive tires back here. So it's been worked on. Molded in tail. So if you're interested, you got the info. And this, I think it's a 75 convertible. And not sure about that paint, but it looks pretty good. And aftermarket exhaust. Can't really see in there. It's a 4-speed. Looks pretty nice. And I guess that is the asking price. I don't think that's a mileage. But there's no other info. I take that back. Here's the phone number in case someone is interested. Very unique color. And this is a 1971. I think it's automatic. All the way here from South Carolina. See if we can. Yeah, it's automatic. And they're asking $24,995. 386-212-3430. So, not a bad price. I don't know anything really about the numbers. It's a numbers matching car. Obviously, it's got an aftermarket hood, which looks horrible. But all of those things can be replaced, and it's got different seats. Still, I think it's pretty interesting. And this is a 1977 offered by the same guy. And this one is 8,500. Here's the number again, 386-212-3430. It's got the moon roofs, which is kind of cool. They do need a little work, but those are pretty interesting. But they are delaminating as it happens. And this one is automatic. Pretty straight, but it's been repainted some odd shade of silver. I mean, it looks odd to me anyway. It's got a bluish tint. Comes with a free flat tire. All in all, I think it's a pretty decent value, provided it runs and all that. I have no other info, but it's an okay car. So this is a 78. It's got a 4-speed. Looks pretty okay, but it's got a lot of I don't know, add-ons like the different wheels. It's got massive tires here in the back. Probably means that someone drove the heck out of it. And let's see what they're asking for it. 8,500. Again, it is a 4-speed car, 407-301-3839. 78 vet. Seller trade up or down. Yeah, no doubt. And this is a 1971 Stingray. Mulsun Blue, which is beautiful. The same family for about 27 years. It's a 4-speed. It's been modified a little bit, but tastefully done. And it's a chromie. And the owner tells me they have the hardtop, which is the original one. Only thing well, not the only thing, but one of the things they changed was the hood. It's got the I think it would be the big block hood. But anyway, beautiful. It's a repaint, the original Mulsanne blue. It's a beautiful car. And this very nice, either a 70 or a 71. I think it's a 71. It's automatic, but it's in really nice shape. I love that hood. Yeah, really nice car. And this is a 1982 Corvette. Yep, we got that crossfire injection engine. 82s were all automatics. It's in really nice shape. So really nice, very clean. And this is the car show portion of the event. So this is not for sale. Here we have some original, yeah. These are side pipe covers. Excuse me, how much for the side pipe covers?
Just
C3.
covers?
Yeah. Oh, you have this? Yeah,
I
I guess.
got covers pipe. I only have one side pipe.
How about the covers? How much would that be for a set?
Like 300. But you could sandblast or paint them or whatever because they're $4,200 now.
They're original, right?
Well, yeah, it's
Yeah.
all originals.
Yeah. Alrighty. Do you have any steering wheels? Yes, you do.
That's it.
How much are you getting for these? Boy, these
20 bucks. Any one you want. I gotta sell something.
Yeah, I'll catch you on the way out. I just spotted this one here, all by its lonesome. I have no idea what year this is. Probably 82, I'm guessing. It's automatic. It's a little bit on the rough side, or maybe a lot on the rough side. But still, it's got side pipes, probably fiberglass. Yeah, plastic. So, it's a Corvette. And here we have a 1968 C3 coupe. Of course, the 68 only door handles, and this is a 4-speed car. 45,000 or best offer 231-350-2034, and it is in really nice condition, so it hasn't been butchered or anything like that. It's got the rallies, the fins, shark fins. Beautiful. I never cared about the luggage rack, but that is a small detail. It's a beautiful car. This is a really sharp 79, I think it is. Let's take a look. 79, 12.5, which is I think a very good price. 617-513-0720. And according to the emblem, it's an L82. The beauty of this is it's a 4-speed car. Let's see if we can check the mileage here. 47.9. It's in really nice shape. A little discoloration, which is typical. It's a really nice car. Yeah. And the T-tops are back there, of course. So, really good shape. You know, the typical things like weather stripping and stuff like that, but that's minimal. Very straight and seems to be all there. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you've never been to the turkey run at the Daytona Speedway, I encourage you to add it to your bucket list. It's quite an experience. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care.